children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform. I hope you are doing well. I am Preeti Joshi, your computer teacher. Today we will solve the curriculum worksheet number 1, topic stepwise thinking for grade 3. Through this worksheet, we are learning to identify the main and detailed steps of an activity, and we are learning to apply correct steps while using the computer. My dear children, be ready with your curriculum worksheet number 1, topic stepwise thinking, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Let us start with activity number 1, understand about stepwise thinking. Every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. Dividing a task into smaller steps makes the task easy to do. A computer can only work using step-by-step instructions from us. Let us understand one activity, that is step to organize a picnic in the water park. Step 1. Make an announcement about the picnic. Step 2. Ask students to give their names. Step 3. Book tickets. Step 4. Travel to the water park. So, every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. Some concepts are: any activity has a sequence of steps. First, list the main steps of the activity. Then, for each main step, list the detailed steps. Listing the steps helps in carrying out the activity easily. In the same way, computer cannot think on its own. It can only work using step-by-step instructions from us. Let's see steps to start up a computer. Step 1. Switch on the power supply button. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the power button on the CPU box. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. Similarly, computer work only using step-by-step instructions from us. Now let's move to activity number 2. Number the pictures in the proper order from the beginning of the day. Children, you need to number the pictures in the proper order from beginning of the day. For example, get up early in the morning is step 1. So, number it as 1. Second one is having breakfast is 2. Similarly, number the pictures in the proper order. Home play is write the activity number 1 in your notebook. Thank you.